Supercat, the Dada, the legendary artist who drove fear among his peers, but ironically being loved by patrons of stage shows and lovers of dancehall around the world. Stay tuned as we pay homage to his legendary career. William Anthony Morrow, better known as Supercat or Wild Apache, was born on the 25th of June, 1963. He was raised in Cockburn Pen in Kingston. Supercat achieved widespread popularity during the late 1980s and early 90s. He began appearing as a DJ under the name Cataract, but soon switched to the name Supercat. He also appeared as Wild Apache. His first single, Mr. Walker, produced by Winston Riley, was released in 1981 and established his recording career. He went on to record for Jah Thomas, on which he was billed as Supercat the Indian, but his career was interrupted by a period of incarceration. After his release, he began working with Early B on the Kilimanjaro Sound System in 1984. This is where Supercat developed his skills and garnered a reputation as a war DJ, where Ninja Man was quoted as saying, "Members say Supercat kill all sound pan Kilimanjaro after Jim Kelly and them Monday. When Supercat them take over Kilimanjaro, nothing no live. Jara kill before Cat, but when Cat come in, Jara killing range high. Him have the highest banner of killing. Him have the most ratings of fear in the industry." In 1985, Supercat released his debut album, Si Boops De, and included the hit singles Boops and Cry for the Youth. In 1988, he started his own Wild Apache Productions label and began producing his own recordings, including his album Sweets for My Sweet, which had the popular hit Mud Up. However, in 1990, Supercat and Ninja Man clashed at Sting. Supercat was a heavy favorite since he was the more established artist, and it was a battle between mentor and apprentice, since Ninja Man joined the Kilimanjaro Sound System where he got the chance to learn from Supercat. Many were excited to see the battle, but little did the patrons know that they were about to witness one of the greatest moments in dancehall history, and easily one of the most iconic clashes at Sting.
When me now go come back, you must have me did a pull out of that. Hold me big gun with them call black. The Babylon them now. One and I got to clear the truck and the Apache's coming. And I propose to quit this killing and because out of me come down, make me come down. Now watch me now. Forgive them father because they don't know what they've done. They've rise the father against the son. If there is a killing, the killing have to be done. You box me, you do everything, I got murder you with lyrics. I got murder you with lyrics. He said a long time in the car, that and him just feel me come. Supercat stop you coming and come. This boy, I walk and tell people more Ninja Man I take coke. The first time we get coke and Supercat me get it from. Glad you know what that meant. Yeah, you hear me? Walk like me, I want to talk. Rhythm, go in rhythm. Stop talk. Lyrics are dealing. I'm not addicted to no drugs. Just me warn you. I'm not addicted to no hard drugs. Tiger want me, becoming go up in and me go check Tiger. Me and him sit down like a two-bread brother. Him send me, tell me why you listen ya. Me not kill teeth and me not go quit. But I be big and me go like a living barrel. Now me take the crap, me get maga and thing. So if you go down it, I will say pay them sin. I'm not addicted to no hard drugs. Me, all of that talk about Dan Gag and me a cutting down, me a bit palm, me a left it not carry it the far. Me a bit spot. Where's the hour? Hear me road boy. Rhythm, I don't know the talking. Rhythm. Forgive them father. Their brand is the father against the son. No, if it's their walk, the killing up and down. Hear me now. Me grand, killing pussy, I me kill them for fun. Killing pussy, I me kill them for fun. Fuck land down on the man. Come now again. Take me king teeth, me kick out teeth. Jamaica people, hold it everybody, hold it. When me say, me not teach you no bullshit. You know me kill Supercat intelligent now. Come rude boy, I'm just gonna murder him slow and easy. Next time, you remember.
Ready for your road boy.
You remember. Here's 2 for 1. And look here. Yeah, you got. Before you die, my friend, seek the Lord. Reach out and touch him now. And believe in his word. Confess your sins to him. Super cat that can murder you now. Before you die, seek the Lord. Yeah, me. Me wanna reverse the years, but me put in the dead. Long time me kill it, so now hear what me said. Me want.
Ease up.
I know it's gonna be. It's the Dan Gargan. Me and your brother, I'm respect this. What you hear me? I've got the permit to bury on the lives of the kill.
Rhythm. Don't know the answer.
Yeah, Supercat lost the clash. The crowd started throwing bottles on the stage because they weren't happy with his performance. Cat even took up a bottle and threw it back into the crowd. It's safe to say Supercat is a serious man. The year 1991 was a mixed bag for Supercat. He was featured on the album Cabin Stabbing along with Nicodemus and Junior Demos. He had been scheduled to perform at the One Love concert in the UK, but his appearance was cancelled after the shooting death of Nitty Gritty on June 24th. Supercat was initially suspected to be the gunman, but was later cleared of the shooting. Even to this day, persons still believed he killed Nitty Gritty in self-defense. However, in reality, he had nothing to do with the shooting. Now, near the end of 1991, he had comprehensively lost a clash. You know, you can actually see who a person really is when they are facing adversity. And Supercat proved that he had a strong will for success, because in 1992, Supercat's career went to a new level. Supercat became one of the first Jamaican DJs to break through the US market. He helped pioneer the fusion of dancehall with hip-hop and R&B, now known as reggae fusion. Supercat moved to the United States and signed a contract with Columbia Records, releasing one of the first dancehall albums on a major label, titled Dada. Supercat had a number of hit singles on the album, including Dada, which was a diss song to Ninja Man, Ghetto Red Hot, and Dem No Worry with Heavy D. He was also featured on the remix of Jump with Criss Cross, and he also collaborated with them in 1993 for their song Alright. These hits made him the Source Magazine Dancehall Artist of the Year in 1993. He was also an early collaborator with the legendary Notorious B.I.G., along with Mary J. Blige, Third Eye, and Puff Daddy, on the B-side remix of Dolly My Baby in 1993. Supercat seemingly slowed down after 1993, but he has been active for years by doing collaborations and performing all over the world. In 1997, he was featured on the hit single Fly by Sugar Ray from their album Floored. He collaborated with Jadakiss and the Neptunes on the Dance of Dance in 2003. Also in 2003, he collaborated with 112 for their song Na 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 Na. Supercat reappeared on the national reggae scene in 2009 for a show at Madison Square Garden with Buju Banton and Barrington Levy. He also headlined the Best of the Best concert in Miami in 2008. And in 2012, his song Dancing in New York was sampled for Nas' single, The Dawn, from the rapper's album Life is Good, with Cat adding vocals to the hook. Supercat has had a legendary career. He has influenced top artists like Ninja Man, Damian Jr. Gang Marley, Collie Buddz, Sean Paul, and many more. As such, it is only right to acknowledge the greatness of Supercat.